Trouble is mounting for US President-elect Donald Trump just days before his inauguration as the 47th President of the United States on 20th January. A judge has ordered Trump to be sentenced on 10th January following his criminal conviction over hush money payments to adult film actor Stormy Daniels. While Trump is unlikely to face jail time or other penalties, this marks an unprecedented moment in American history, a former or incoming president being convicted of a criminal offense. Justice Juan Merchan's ruling requires Trump to attend the sentencing, either in person or virtually, just 10 days before his inauguration. The judge noted that an unconditional discharge, a sentence without custody, fines, or probation, would likely be the most viable outcome. The case dates back to a $130,000 payment made by Trump's then-lawyer to Stormy Daniels to secure her silence about an alleged sexual encounter before the 2016 election. Trump denies the allegations, but in May, a Manhattan jury found him guilty of falsifying business records to conceal the payment. In his decision, Justice Merchan rejected Trump's motion to dismiss the case, emphasizing that overturning the jury's verdict would undermine the rule of law in immeasurable ways. The judge also criticized Trump's repeated public attacks on the integrity of the justice system, stating these were considered in his decision. A spokesperson for Trump, however, condemned the proceedings, claiming there should be no sentencing and that the case should never have been brought forward. With this legal battle adding to the political drama, all eyes remain on Trump as the historic 20th January inauguration approaches.